Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button right here, the back button, to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, select the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called time and date, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have time, date, date format, and first day of the week. First, we want to change the time, so tap on time, select the time format. I prefer 24 hours, and then use the basically touchscreen to adjust your time. So you can select the time by swiping up and down on hours, then minutes, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. So once we set the time, we can set the date. So select date and do the same. You can basically swipe up and down on the month, day, and the year, and then tap on the check mark. We can also change the date format, so we can tap on date format and select one of the formats. We have quite few of them, as you can see. And finally, you can also select the first day of the week if you like to. We have Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. I prefer Monday. And once you're done setting up your time and date, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.